Cooking Chilean sea bass. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. First, oil the sea bass. Second, pluck some salt and pepper. Third, fry and heat in the oven. Preheat the oven 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, pan the oil and heat it on a medium fire. Then fry the sea bass. Time it for 5 minutes before flipping the sea bass on the other side.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, like on this side.
So you only flip it once, frying each sides for 5 minutes.
Oh, 2 more minutes. No, it's 2.
Ah.
Because it started at 50 now. You want me to do it again?
Oh, I thought.
Ready?
Oh.
1, 2.
So how many more minutes?
Then put the sea bass in the oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove from the oven. And you're done. Ready to serve. Now, eat, chillax, enjoy, repeat.
I think it's my favorite type of fish. It's soft. It's like melting. Look. It's just like the one in the restaurant. Try it.
Thanks for cooking.